The boardwalk. What, you going bald? Let's have a look. Well, we'll put it on the vlog. Addison's going bald.
Special kid. Right, shut up yourself, Jen.
I'm going to go back and the long back to
Grace? Grace, I'm going to Cellier. I've got out to say to you.
Look!
Full moon, she's saying, but she don't want to vlog anymore because she's getting bored of it. Don't know, mate. I don't know what to say. We'll have a look in a minute.
Ooh.
Yeah, we're not going to get wet because you'll get cold, won't you?
And you're going Harry Potter.
Go in.
Right. University. You can go to the left and the right.
We've got a fast pass for test track. Might have missed it though.
Test track. There's still lots on the walk there.
Yeah, Disney will let you anywhere.
You don't feel like
We've got anything to say, guys. Been in the sun, he's not been well today. He's been dead hot.
No, it ain't, huh?
Going for a meal at Cellier on Epcot. Italian.
Epcot. Have we not got this boat then?
No, we'll go straight in the gate here now. That boat's dropping people off.
That's creepy.
There's the evil one, Charlie. Look at him. The evil one. Yeah, like Duck Dennis there.
Yeah.
with a
big trucks with a lot of rifles on it.
Can't see your head. Can't see your head. Camouflaged. Can't see it. Duck Dennis, do you look like? He's
talking to it.
Oh, he's mad, him.
He's like that.
Race for him.
Doing all the face today, she's not after.
He's big. She's black. All the legs tanned up.
They're not tanned.
There they are. Show me your white marks. Wow! Don't let Kenny see them white marks.
White marks like his eyes.
He's all red, blistered up. Don't think you've ever burnt on your face. Or anywhere else in Chelsea, ever burnt, has she? Never burnt. She goes all lovely tanned. But she burnt today. It was 106.
Was it?
It said 36. Highs are 36, it said.
No, we're
Okay, should we go and get you some rich tea biscuits? I might buy you some because you burnt your face. Oh, not you. Rich tea biscuits, she loves them. on that there. Madden.
This is the best side to come in a park, isn't it? Like
It's chilled, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty sick. If you walk around like this, I wouldn't mind. Good job. Like Magic Kingdom and that. It's over here on the left. I'm pretty sure there is.
Tonight we are British Revolution, and we will return Friday at 3 o'clock. But before we leave you, we got time for one more song, so we're gonna get the kinks out. You really got me so I don't know what to do. You really got me so I don't know now.
Everyone's in bed. You going live, Grace? Going live on Insta. They'll all be in bed. Queen's table. Go on, Kaz, did you enjoy that? British music. Two-door lane. The Rose and Crown. What time's our booking at? The Cellier, 20 to 9. Should we get one of them or should we go and get Mama a cocktail? Or a Grey Goose?
That's in France.
We really gotcha. The Rose and Crown. Shall we go and see what that British pub's like?
You came in with me.
Really gotcha. Cider house. You want a cider? A cider, Chelsea?
Anything that's got alcohol in it, Gareth?
She'll drink anything, huh?
Have you seen that one, Francesca's one?
Yeah. Let's see it. Let's show the YouTube community. Hey, ma'am. Francesca.
Now entering Canada.
She commented on one of our Facebook things, Grace, today.
Gary, now we're entering Canada.
Canada. Joffrey. These are all getting ready for the fireworks already, aren't they? Starting the fireworks at 9. We're in Canada, mates. We're in Canada. Bring out a game. Yo, the guitar. Rock and roll, that is. That's like rock and roll. Do it. Do your guitar, guitar, go on. Do your guitar. No, do your rock and roll sign.
I'm sorry.
It's alright.
Walking backwards.
It was both walking backwards.
What time is it now?
We're in Canada. Watch this lady, guys. Let her come out. Come on.
What did you try?
That. Bottoms up, Chelsea.
Yeah, it's okay.
Is it precious? Is that precious? Do you like my precious, Carrie? Do you like my precious? Guys, we've got them in the room, mate. Leave them.
Now, are these from Canada? Yep. So the Swedish recipe, but it's
Taking it back when you get home. Taking the t-shirt back when you get home. What about one of them for the wall?
There you go. Yeah, so I can scan the idea.
Yeah, we're gonna beat Tim Tracker now. We don't like him after what he done to us. Making us all say, now it's time to pay the price. Didn't even put it on the blog. Put on pack, guys.
How long has it been Canada's 100 So it'll be on camp.
Come on. Guys, come on.
But they've been giving these pins.
Guys, we've got the sweets. Come on. My two beautiful girls sat on the bench. They're already tired. You can't even be seen.
This camera is exceptionally good for all life. Yeah. Goes up to 150
Let's Cellier for dinner. One minute. Sleep. Didn't eat none of his dinner. Gracie didn't eat none of hers. We are getting. It's finished now, Grace. It's finished now.
What dinner are you having, babe?
Creme brulee.
The creme brulee.
Oh, what did you think of Cellier? Garbo, not better than Yachtman's Steakhouse. We've got the T-bone for two. Minging, dead fatter. Dazza fell asleep. Didn't even eat his dinner. Got it in a takeout. Gracie got steak and mash. They didn't even eat it. $300 bill with a $40 gratuity. Wasn't worth a dime. Home now. Wake up in the morning with a salty mouth. And he got a steak and he ate it all. Loved it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Epcot's dead.
No, if he's dead, Dad.
Missed the fireworks, didn't we?
We're going to Universal tomorrow.
Yeah. Won't be going there again, I tell you.
Universal, you get these ones in Diagon Alley, go to every, like,